Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can prompt in Midjourney. So for those people who do not know what prompting in Midjourney means, so Midjourney is an AI which you guys can put on your Discord, or you guys can join Midjourney's Discord server and you guys can go inside it and type some words and it will create an image for you. But in order to type something you need to know prompt. Now prompt are like a set of codes which you need to type in order to use Midjourney. Now there's multiple codes, but I'm not going to go through each and every single one of them. I'm just going to show you some of the codes which you guys will find helpful and you guys will need. If you want a professional video on it, I will make it, but this video is for people who are new to Midjourney and do not know prompt for basic things like how to go to settings or how to upload a photo or how to create a photo, blend them and something like that. Alright, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel Want to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you can come to the Midjourney's Discord server and go into newbies. Alright, you can go into any newbies you want. I'm just gonna go to this one over here, and over here where it says message, you want to go on message and first type /. Now in order to use any prompt you have to type /. Alright, and if you go on where it says settings, or you can write setting setting over here, settings, and enter it, then Midjourney is going to show you all the Midjourney settings. So make sure to type that and enter it, wait for some time, and as you guys can see over here, Midjourney showed me all of its setting over here like this. Now this is for setting. Now for uploading a photo, you want to write /des, and you can see describe. Click on it and it's going to give me an option to upload a photo over here. I can click on it, choose the photo from my PC and upload it. And if I want to create an image, what I have to write, or the code I have to write is /imagi. You can see imagine over here. Click on imagine and describe the type of photo you want. Let's say flying car. I can just write flying car and enter it, and Midjourney will create it for me. So it's going to take a bit of time, but it'll create me. Alright, so yeah. And if you want to know some other information, you can write /info over here. You can click on /info and enter it, and Midjourney bot will show you all of the info over here, as you guys can see. So yeah, that's the basic prompt you guys need to know for Midjourney. And if you want to blend some photo, you can write /blend blend, and you can see the code over here. Click on it and upload 2 image and it will blend those 2 image. So that's how we guys can do that as well. So these are the basic prompt from Midjourney. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe button to our channel Want to Step, and bye bye.